Alright, party people, DT Swiss E1900 upgrade. Check this out. This is the low engagement hub. Heard that a lot while I was riding. Called my buddies at Worldwide Cyclery. They got me set up with the right part kit, and check this out. This is how easy this is. Everything was greased beforehand. These are the new springs from the kit. I just want to show you how easy that was to put together. And as soon as I put this thing on, I no longer get the real clacking anymore, but it got rid of that clanging. It seems to be rocking and rolling. I don't know, it's worth the $100. Why they don't just throw it in the wheel set to begin with, not totally sure. The upgrade is 100% worth it.